Angles and parallel lines. Multiple lines that have the same direction are called parallel lines. They are always the same distance apart and never meet. When another line intersects a pair of parallel lines, it creates pairs of equal angles. Key facts: when two lines intersect, the angles vertically opposite each other are equal. Alternate angles are equal angles on different or alternate sides of a line crossing a pair of parallel lines. Corresponding angles are equal angles on the same or corresponding sides of a line crossing a pair of parallel lines. Parallel and transversal lines. When another line intersects two or more parallel lines, it is called a transversal. This line creates pairs of angles that are equal. These angles have different names depending on their relationship: vertically opposite, alternate, and corresponding. Parallel lines are indicated by arrows like this. Lines AB and CD are parallel lines. Vertically opposite angles. Angles on the opposite sides of two lines that cross each other are equal. They are called vertically opposite angles. Four pairs of vertically opposite angles are created when a transversal crosses a pair of parallel lines. Calculating angles. Question: find the size of angle X. Answer: we can use the rules we know about angles in lines to find X. Angles in a straight line add up to 180 degrees, so we can find the size of angle RBP. Angle RBP and angle X are corresponding angles, so they are equal. Angle X is 55 degrees. Alternate angles. Angles on different or alternate sides of a transversal line crossing a pair of parallel lines are equal. They're known as alternate angles. Two pairs of alternate angles are created when a transversal crosses a pair of parallel lines. Corresponding angles. When a transversal line intersects a pair of parallel lines, the angles on the same or corresponding sides of the lines and either above or below the parallel lines are equal. These are called corresponding angles. Four pairs of corresponding angles are created when a transversal crosses a pair of parallel lines.